Cooking healthy food on a daily basis can be easier with a few tips and strategies. Here are some suggestions to help you make nutritious meals. Plan your meals. Take some time at the beginning of each week to plan your meals. Consider including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This will help you stay organized and ensure you have the necessary ingredients on hand. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Opt for whole foods such as fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and lean proteins. These foods are typically less processed and contain more nutrients compared to packaged and processed alternatives. Control portion sizes. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use measuring cups, kitchen scales, or visual cues to ensure you're consuming appropriate amounts of different food groups. Use cooking methods that retain nutrients. Choose cooking methods that preserve the nutrients in your ingredients. Steaming, baking, grilling, and stir-frying are generally healthier options compared to deep frying or boiling, which can lead to nutrient loss. Reduce added sugars and salts. Be cautious about adding excessive amounts of sugar and salt to your dishes. Use natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup sparingly and try flavoring your meals with herbs, spices, and other seasonings instead of relying heavily on salt. Include a variety of colors. Aim to incorporate a colorful array of fruits and vegetables in your meals. Different colors signify various phytonutrients, vitamins, and minerals, so by diversifying your produce, you can ensure a broader nutrient intake. Prioritize lean proteins. Choose lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, tofu, legumes, and low-fat dairy products. These options are generally lower in saturated fats and provide essential nutrients. Cook with healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats in your cooking, such as olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. These fats can help improve satiety, support heart health, and aid nutrient absorption. Be mindful of cooking oils. When cooking, use oils with higher smoke points to prevent them from breaking down and releasing harmful compounds. Some suitable options include canola oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. Read and understand food labels. Pay attention to food labels when purchasing packaged ingredients. Look for products with fewer additives, lower sodium and sugar content, and recognizable, whole food ingredients. Stay hydrated. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and can help regulate appetite and digestion. Experiment with herbs and spices. Enhance the flavor of your meals with herbs and spices instead of relying solely on salt, sugar, or unhealthy sauces. Experiment with different combinations to create delicious and satisfying dishes. Remember, it's important to listen to your body's needs and make adjustments accordingly. Eating a balanced diet is a lifelong journey, so enjoy the process of discovering new flavors and creating healthy meals that suit your tastes and preferences.